Hello scrapers, want to know exactly what your audience is saying about your brand on YouTube? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to extract comments on YouTube using Outscraper, so let's dive right in. Head over to Outscraper and log into your account. To use this service, click on Services and search on YouTube Comment Scraper. YouTube Comment Scraper returns comment from YouTube. Paste the URL of the YouTube video you want to scrape comments from. You can also add multiple video links at once, but for this example, we will be using just one link. Add the limit per one query to indicate the number of comments you want to return per link. You can also use the sorting features to indicate if you want to get the top comments or the newest comment. Once everything is set, click Get Data. Here you will be prompted by a window containing the information of your scrape. Hit Confirm and let Outscraper do its work. Once the process is done, download your result and you will have a set of YouTube comments ready for your analysis. And that's how you use YouTube Comment Scraper. Whether you're managing a brand's online reputation or scouting leads from comment, YouTube Comment Scraper is the tool for you. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!